we're gonna do the fireworks show.
Show them the fireworks.
Shine the light on it.
Okay.
Let's go there.
It's empty box.
Do the first one.
Hi.
Wrong place.
Turn it around. Look at Dylan.
Run, run.
Yeah. That looks nice.
There's
That's it?
different colors too.
That's it?
Yeah.
John?
It's done. That was
There's gonna be smoke coming. Ugh. Ugh. If you guys do this show at home, beware of
That
the
one
smell.
You might want to get out of its way, honey.
Well, that one was a
Yeah,
dud.
that's all right.
That's alright. You did that.
Don't touch it though.
Duds.
Let it sit. Let it sit down.
I have to get used to this one.
That's
Whoa!
a good one.
one of my favorites.
Pretty good. Not really good though.
This is a purple one.
Oh yay!
Actually, no, yellow.
No yellow.
It's yellow.
Oh, that's all.
There's that next one is the purple one.
Coolness right there.
That's so small. That is really small.
Let's go to the backyard, dude.
No, this is purple.
Let's
The
see
purple
what's a
doesn't really-
purple.
I don't think the purple turns out good sometimes.
Oh.
Oh, it does.
Yeah.
can see it.
Cool.
Okay, no. We're gonna do
Do
this.
those
That's
two?
that's the
Shine the
little parts
camera on
right there.
these. We're gonna do these.
What are they called?
I forget.
They
I
look
think
like
they're the
Hershey
soul or
Kisses.
something.
Yeah, I think you're right.
What do they do?
Wait, should I just put these
Yeah, let's just
Yeah,
get,
the
let's just get
grass is wet.
surprised.
That'll be okay, right?
Mom, let's get surprised and see.
Should we move it back?
No, these. Well,
When we get to the bigger ones, we'll move the rock back.
I'll tell you when we should move it.
What?
Ooh. Coming towards us. Look, the smoke. That.
You'll be fine.
What's going on with the smoke? Look. That wasn't a good one. That wasn't that good. Okay, here goes a good one.
Tell me there's no fuel in it now.
Well, it's windy.
Yeah.
Wait, it can't be wind. Wind will hit it.
It blows out.
Well, wind will hit it and blow it out.
Blows out.
Yeah, stand on the other. No, you know what, honey? Go. Stand on the. Oh, there you go.
Ah! That's kind of fast.
Does the fire pick up the grass?
No,
It's,
green
The
won't
grass
burn.
is wet anyway.
The grass won't burn.
it's just like solid right
Okay,
It
what's
cools down a
next?
little bit. It
Yeah.
cools down then.
What's next? This.
So that one.
Oh no, we're getting close
What's it called?
to the.
Can you see
It's
Wait, this is a big
June
one.
bug.
Should we
Oh,
move
June
it
It's a
back?
fountain.
It's a fountain.
This
It
would be
emits
good right
showers
here.
of sparks.
Should we move it back?
No, this one's good right here.
When we get to the last one, we'll definitely. There we go.
Ooh, that's a nice one.
That is huge.
Yay!
Now
You
which
think
one?
that is huge? You should come to one of your fireworks. shows at
Fireflies.
home, you know it.
Fireflies.
Fireflies
What about
emit
that one,
showers
John?
of sparks and
You
flames.
know about that one?
Yeah, I have ones like this big and stuff too.
I think for the
Yay.
It's over.
I think for the next one we're gonna have to move the thing back.
What, babe?
For the next one we're probably gonna have to move the thing back.
You know what Dylan said when I had my hair like this? What did you say to me? You said coming someone who has a tornado on their
Alright, we're moving it back.
Okay, this is the last one.
So we can move it.
Mom, show them.
Can we move it back?
It's called Diamond Cutter.
diamond cutter. In the,
Let's move
there
this
was a
back.
mosquito right by me.
How will we go back?
Mom,
Let's
point
all
it
go
right
Here,
back.
you go back. Just go back right here.
Mom, point it. I can't see it.
Okay, pardon you.
Run as fast as you can on this one.
Oh, he's. Yeah, or
This
mommy's,
should be good right
mommy's
here.
gonna move it over.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna...
This is gonna be so cool, buddy. Pardon you.
Run, Forrest!
Take cover. I'm just kidding.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh, super cool.
Oh, that's a good one.
Very nice.
It's a private
That was
show.
the end.
Woo, go ahead, conclude it.
Andrew, do you want to do it?
Do you want to conclude the show, buddy?
Wait, put the lid on.
Thank you all for watching the fireworks show, and I hope you liked it and subscribe, and get ready for the tomorrow night second part of the fireworks show. Goodbye.
Peace.